All right, guys, continuation to my ceiling. I just finished, and now I'm just painting around this ceiling fan. Yeah, this ceiling fan is kind of old, but it does its job. What am I gonna do, get rid of it? Of course not. I'm gonna keep it, all right? And I'm painting over this top cover here. I know that that's plastic, and this is metal. I'm not supposed to be painting acrylic paint on plastic and metal. I know that. Again, I said, I'm not a professional, but I did this back when I was a teenager. All right, I did this for a few years back in New York. Remember, in New York, everybody ain't rich. Okay, you gotta strive to survive. So these are the things I was doing when I was a young teenager, a young man. Okay, and I made a living off of this. So I know I'm not supposed to be using this acrylic paint around this plastic and this metal piece right here of the fan, but hey, it looks better than it was before. Okay, so I'm just painting around the edges, make sure I get most of the ceiling. That way, when I throw on the side wall color, which is gonna be a two-tone, y'all gonna see this. It's gonna look beautiful. All right, you can say, wow, this guy really knows what he's doing. All right, and hey, if you got a negative comment, man, hey, that's on you. All right. If you just put your thumbs up, hit your thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you know what's up, all right?